Okay.
I'm making movies. Say that again.
Take a picture of my name.
What's on it?
Hey! That song is from Mason's Octopus. It looks like mine is done. It looks like mine is done. Mason found one. Look. Look at Mason. He just found one.
Come put it over here, Mason.
That is fine. That is fine.
Here. This is just to put some eggs in if Sister finds them.
Where's the other ones you told me?
Right down here.
No, Mason.
Happy Easter, McLean.
Easter. What is it? Easter, when you get this behind there?
No.
Mom, look at the picture. Look. Look.
Let's go in the kitchen.
I see it.
Yeah. Hey, Mama, there's an egg on top of there. Mason, look, Mason. Look up there.
Right here?
Uh-huh. That was funny. I found a real egg. It's right here. Look at this real egg.
Oh, that's that real ugly egg. Brother, you might have to find all the eggs.
I am.
Okay.
Mason just wants to look at those ones.
You're just going to eat all the candy once you find them.
Hey,
We won't let her eat it
It's
all.
okay. She can't eat that much more.
got this one. This is the one with Aria. It's mine. Hey, Mason, whoa, Easter basket. It's inside.
What?
Pull the whole rack out.
Honey.
Found it. Whoa, I got lots of stuff of Mason. I got Easter eggs.
Wow, that's a nice basket.
And the Easter
You
swamp.
can use that. What is it?
Oh, Mason, you found an Easter basket.
Let me see. Whoa, look at that. Where did you find that?
It's behind the curtain.
It was behind the curtain.